On July 12, 1982, the ARDC was merged into NABARD. Which of the following is the most appropriate cause of export surplus? Developments in national and international markets. If the cash revenue ratio is lowered by the RBI, its impact on credit creation will be to increase it. Which of the following items would not appear in a company's balance sheet? Revenue from sales of the company's products. The currency convertibility concept in its original form originated in Bretton Woods Agreement. In the state of India, the State Financial Corporation has given assistance mainly to develop medium and small scale industries. The central cooperative banks are in direct touch with state cooperative banks. The first wholly Indian bank was set up in (1894). States earn maximum revenue through commercial taxes. Our financial system has provided for the transfer of resources from the center to the states. The important means of resource transfer are all the above. Debenture holders of a company are its creditors. Excise duty is a tax levied on the production of goods. Which of the following is the first Indian private company to sign an accord with government of Myanmar for oil exploration in 2 offshore blocks in that country? Essar Oil. Non-tax revenues can be increased by improving the working of the commercial irrigation projects. Which of the following is not viewed as a national debt? National Savings Certificate.